Hi, I'm Nancy. And I'm Christine. And today we'll be making a pizza for the 4th of July. We're going to use pizza crust, you can make your own dough, but we prefer one that's pre-made. You will also need pizza sauce, black olives, pepperonis, and mozzarella cheese. First, spray your pan. After placing the dough on the pan, add the sauce. Cut your pepperoni into halves and then place them in lines. After putting the pepperonis in rows for the stripes of the American flag, now we're going to add the stars. Now put it in the oven. Now you have your 4th of July themed pizza.